The crypto trading platforms in this video are, I think, the best you can use to trade crypto for the lowest fees and best actual trading systems on the market today. I actually use 9 crypto apps actively. I counted for this video, mainly because I make tutorials and guides on how to use them, but also because I actively spread out my crypto trading across the platforms to not have everything sitting in one account. And after all the testing and using them all, these are the 5 that I have gravitated towards the most. In this video, I'm going to show you which platforms I use and why, including how much they charge for trading fees, how easy it is to get fiat currency on and off the platforms, what type of trading they support, and the trading systems themselves, and the extra features that they have like staking, lending, and other products that are very useful depending on who you are. Each platform is listed as a timestamp in the video description, and I've also linked each platform in the description as well. If you click those links, you can see what sign up or deposit bonuses each platform offers when you start up your account. Some do, some don't, and they do change over time, so you can see them all when you're watching this video. First up is Phemex, a smaller name than the likes of Binance and Coinbase, but in my opinion, the product they have will be objectively better for some users. Phemex have much lower fees than something like Coinbase, who charge 0.5% as a trading fee, with Phemex at just 0.1%. But Phemex does something a little bit different, which is an optional subscription that you can pay yearly to actually get completely free trading. So basically, you just pay a upfront fee every year and then get completely commission-free trades if you want to do that. This does depend on how much volume you trade each year, whether it's actually going to be worth paying for the subscription or not, so it won't be for everyone. Phemex have 3 main products. They have the spot exchange, where you can buy and hold crypto and then take it out of the platform to hold in your wallet. The futures exchange, where you can trade on leverage and pay even lower fees. And then the earn platform, which is where you can put some crypto actually on your account to earn some passive income. The slight downside of Phemex is the fiat on and off ramps, which really only support buying some cryptos with a card, which does have a slightly higher fee than being able to deposit money through a bank transfer. Although they do support Simplex and MoonPay, which are 2 massive payment providers, which you can use to buy Bitcoin or US dollar Tether directly and then get it in your account to trade. You can actually use a bank transfer in some countries. So look at the list of supported countries. Most of the kind of Western type countries aren't supported for this bank transfer though. So if you're watching it from those countries, you're probably going to have to be either paying through MoonPay or transferring in crypto from another platform and then using Phemex to trade with the lower trading fees. Their trading screens are all you will need to trade with, and I personally like to actually switch the layout around from the default, but that can be easily done. In the spot market, the supported list of cryptos isn't the longest and really sticks to the main cryptos with big volume, but really Phemex is better for traders who want to trade futures and leverage products, and also some cryptos in the spot market for pretty much the lowest fees out there, and then withdraw the crypto to other accounts or wallets for safekeeping. They also have some of the best deposit bonuses and trading competitions throughout the year, which you can find through the link below or on their competitions page. Next up is Binance. Binance is the world's biggest crypto exchange by absolutely miles. It does the most amount of volume for both spot and futures trading and has a massive staking platform as well. Plus it has the best links to Binance Smart Chain if you want to go ahead and use some decentralized apps on that chain. Binance really is the go-to platform for most people, and most of us will at least have a Binance account in addition to some others. The reasons why so many people use it, in my opinion, is the low fees, but also the very good blockchain support. If you want to withdraw crypto to virtually any blockchain, you can actually do it from Binance. If you go to the withdraw screen, you'll see many options to use different blockchains like Tron Network, Polygon, and even some layer 2s on Ethereum like Arbitrum. Other than that, you get 0.075% trading fees, which aren't the absolute lowest out there, but they're low enough to not make much difference for most traders. And the trading screens are enough for pro traders, with these simple convert features good enough for beginners as well. The downside of Binance for me is that their banking support now is quite poor. Binance was really the main target for regulators worldwide during the 2020 surge in demand, and they saw Binance being the leader in volume, the prime target to basically stop most people getting into crypto in the first place. Binance was also offshore at that time, so these days it's quite difficult to deposit crypto to Binance directly, and you'll have to use a card with a 1.8% fee. Not ideal, but there are some workarounds, including depositing US dollars via the Swift network, which takes a little bit of work and another application to get dollars. But if you can sort that out, then it can work for you. The other main advantage though for Binance is that it supports more cryptos than basically every other platform. If you want to get some smaller cryptos, then you'll probably find them here, and they trade on Binance with the best liquidity, which is very important for smaller coins. Kucoin is next up on the list, initially seen as a kind of alternative to Binance, but considering the banking problems Binance has and the great products that now are offered by Kucoin, it's really been steadily attracting traders. Kucoin is another all-in-one exchange with very good spot market support for most cryptos, including many that even Binance doesn't support yet. Trading fees are very low at around 0.08%, but you can get a further discount if you pay your fees with KCS tokens, which are the native tokens of the exchange, and they're easy to buy on the platform. You then get a futures trading platform, which is exactly the same as Binance, just different colors for Kucoin. But what really sets Kucoin apart is the trading bots. They put a lot of work into the bots, and you can use 4 trading bots as of making this video. You have a DCA bot, which lets you invest over the long term automatically, and then some active trading bots, which you can set up and then let them do their thing. I actually have a video on how to use the bots and how they actually work, so I'll link that in the description. Kucoin also has a big lending and staking platform, and usually has amongst the highest rates for lending out US dollar tether. This will change daily and depending on market conditions, but can be anywhere from around 5% to 20% or more, so worth a look if you have some USDT laying around, or just lend it out when you're not looking to trade. The big standout for Kucoin currently as well is that you don't need KYC to actually trade on the platform, which Binance recently started requiring. This may change in the future, but Kucoin right now is a way to trade mostly anonymously. The next exchange is Bybit, who've recently added spot trading and staking support, which is why they make the list this year. Bybit really are the go-to trading platform for futures and leverage trading, which is what most people use them for. If you trade crypto futures in Bybit and add liquidity to the order book, they actually pay you. You'll get a rebate of 0.025% from Bybit to actually use the platform, which is a bit crazy, but this is basically a bonus for adding liquidity onto the platform. If you use market orders, then you'll pay 0.075%, which again is amongst the lowest of any platform anyway. Bybit is still a no KYC exchange, and you can get crypto on and off the platform pretty easily. Plus, they've added card support if you want to put fiat on the platform, but you'd need to add your KYC info in that case. Otherwise, just transfer in some crypto, and then you can start trading that and swapping it into other cryptocurrencies or US dollar tether to fund your futures positions. Bybit does huge volume in the futures market, so you can be sure of good liquidity there. As for the spot market, they really only support the biggest cryptos, so don't have a long list of tokens like Binance or Kucoin, but for the big coins, you can trade with very low fees. They've also recently added BiFi, which is their staking platform, or lending to be more accurate. I use BiFi to lend out some crypto, and they give you just over 8% on USDC currently, so a great way to earn some really good passive income, and even give 1.5% on Bitcoin and 2% on Ethereum as of making this video, but these rates can change, so you can go and see the current rates via the link below if you want to check that out. Bybit also usually have trading competitions, fee rebates, offers, and massive sign-up bonuses pretty much on a continual basis, so a good exchange to get set up on overall. Another great platform though is FTX, which has become one of the biggest crypto exchanges worldwide and does most of its volume in the futures market. If you want to trade in the spot market on FTX, you can do so with support mostly for Ethereum and Solana ecosystem coins, and not much support for other coins. So not the best coin support as compared to Binance or Kucoin, but they are adding more coins pretty much day by day. FTX stand out for fiat currency support though, where you can actually deposit most major currencies via a bank transfer still, so it may be good for that kind of fiat on-ramp for a lot of people. Fees are very low as well, running from around 0.02% to 0.07%, with some extra discounts if you hold FTT tokens and another 5% discount if you get referred, so I'll leave that link in the description. FTX has two versions, the international version and then the US version, which takes some support for cryptos and other products away thanks to regulations there. But you can also lend out US dollars directly on both platforms, and they have very decent rates of around 4 to 8% usually. So you can put your dollars to work when you're waiting to trade, or you can take them out quite easily at any time. I think anyone will do great with all of these platforms. And like I said, I actually use all of these because they offer different benefits depending on what I want to trade, whether that's spot, futures, or just earn some extra yield and spread my risk out. If you're brand new to crypto and you're wondering how to actually trade crypto, including how to navigate advanced trading screens, how to read charts and make trading decisions, I'll leave some other helpful videos in the description. Or if you really want to take the next step, my crypto investor course has an entire unit dedicated to trading and technical analysis. In case you didn't know, I worked on the London Stock Exchange for over 5 years, so I do have a little clue on how these things work. The course is updated with new content, which is free for existing users, and we have private Discord groups where you can get help as well. You can go to moneyzg.academy, or I'll leave that link in the description as well. Other than that, videos and links to the exchanges below and some other tutorials and guides are all down there for you. I'm James with MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.